Do you want to make homemade baby food but think it's too hard or takes too long? With Baby Brezza's glass one-step food maker, nutritious homemade baby food is a breeze. The glass food maker automatically steams and blends fresh veggies, fruits, and meats in minutes for healthy, homemade baby food. It's the only baby food maker with a glass bowl, and its large 4-cup capacity can make multiple meals at once with the press of one button. The unique Viper blade blends food with precision to the perfect consistency, and it's easy to use and clean. The steam tank is fully accessible, the water tank is removable, and the glass bowl and blades are dishwasher safe. Not only is homemade baby food better for your baby's development, you can save hundreds of dollars a year versus store-bought baby food. The Baby Brezza Glass One-Step Food Maker was chosen Baby Food Maker of the Year in 2018 by Baby Center, and moms are raving about it. Make mealtime your favorite time with the Baby Brezza Glass One-Step Food Maker.
Here's everything you need to know about BEABA in 60 seconds. Parents have enough on their plate before it even comes to feeding time. What if you could serve baby what you're already cooking for the rest of the family without worrying about consistency, bite size, or incorporating enough protein into baby's diet? With Babycook, you can. It's one appliance from BEABA to rule them all. Making chicken and potatoes? You can put raw chicken and veggies in the Babycook to steam and puree, and in 15 minutes have a complete healthy meal your little one can share with the whole family. Making your own food with Babycook saves over $1,000 per year per child. Babycook takes the guesswork out of what's hiding behind a label or in a food pouch, letting parents keep a close eye on what goes into baby's tummy.
This is NutriBullet Baby, the complete baby food making system. Now you can create your own fresh baby food. No hidden additives or preservatives. Just all natural ingredients. The way nature intended for your baby's healthy growth and development. And NutriBullet Baby grows with your child through each stage of that development. From single ingredient purees, to mixed purees, to texture-rich foods. The NutriBullet Baby lets you make and store a variety of foods that your baby will love. Simply load your fresh foods, give it a quick spin, and in an instant, you've got perfect carrot puree, full of vitamin A and beta-carotene, essential for your baby's teeth and vision. Or the perfect nutrient-rich banana puree, one of the best solid foods to give your baby. Bananas are also a great sleep aid. And combining new tasty textures is just as easy. Add fully cooked chicken for protein, fiber-rich brown rice, and finish with squash for vitamin C. Now simply press and pulse, and in just seconds, you've got the perfect textured, nutrient-rich meal for your little one. The NutriBullet Baby system includes everything you need. A handled blend cup for smaller portions, and a 32-ounce batch bowl. So now making a week's worth of fresh baby food has never been faster or easier. You'll also get 6 date dial storage cups. These perfectly portioned cups are great for storing your fresh baby food or taking it on the go. Load the cup and simply twist the date dial to today's date, and you instantly have your own made on date. Now you know exactly when your baby's food was made, so you know exactly how fresh it is. It also comes with a freezer storage tray, letting you prep for the week and use whenever you'd like. Your baby's food is ready, whenever you are. Just simply thaw and serve. NutriBullet Baby is easy to use, easy to clean up, non-toxic, and BPA-free. NutriBullet Baby, the complete baby food making system.